So I heard about Enzo on the BC Georgie Award website. I saw they earned in 2019 an award for Best Renovated Condo, so I decided to give them a call. So we interviewed a few other firms. Unfortunately, they were not as detailed in their pricing as well as procedure as Enzo, and I wasn't comfortable working with other companies. So during the work, we had a few challenges. The first one was our strata. It was a little bit complicated to get the work permit construction, and Enzo did a fantastic job getting into all the documents, also the communication with the strata, so the work could start. Another part that was also challenging was the new pandemic that happened during the renovation, but Enzo did everything properly with new safety protocols so we could move in our new home right in time. So my favorite part of the renovation is the kitchen. It's bright and open, exactly the way I wanted it. For my husband, he prefers the bathroom, so he wanted this dark theme mode, and Enzo did a fantastic job at understanding his design idea and what he wanted. I will definitely recommend Enzo to all the people having a new home.